What's up? Another day working on the car. It's gonna be a 2006 Honda Accord, and here it is. This time we got it on all fours, up in the air. We're gonna be doing the front struts, and I bought some sway bar links. It looks like I'm not gonna need them, so that's good news. I just sprayed some PB Blaster on the assembly, so when I have to take off the nuts or the bolts, it's a lot easier. Alright, so I got that loose. And what's gonna happen next is getting the shock loose. From up here. Out. Time to press. So there we go. So this time I used the pry bar. Try to push this up, the upper control arm, to get enough space to get it out this way. Now time to tear it down. Okay, so it took me a while to actually get this on. Make sure when you compress the spring, you get as close as possible to the top. Just slide it up, because if you do it from the center, it's not going to squeeze enough to actually get the mount on. This took a while actually to get on, but now that it's on, I'm happy. Again, doesn't look like I'm gonna need the sway bar links. Everything looks that looks fine. I'm gonna have to return the ones I bought. I'm gonna have to do the back ones though. They're not good. Tie rods are not bad. They're nice and tight, and the ball joints, they're not bad. They're still fine. I could go another year with them. And now, time to get this back on, and let's go. Alright, so I finished the passenger side. Everything looks great. Again, when you're trying to remove the springs, make sure you try to get the top, or at least closest to the end, so you can compress it as good as possible. This one actually came out a little bit more easier for me, just because I did that. Now I'm gonna reinstall it and put it back on. This side also had a replacement sway bar link. Looks like they took care of it. Only problem is, if you look back there, there's a C-clamp holding down the exhaust J-pipe onto the actual exhaust manifold. So I'm gonna take care of that in the future. Still on there, so I'm not gonna mess with it. And rotors, brakes, they're not bad. Control arms, not bad. Bushings, still fine. They got some cracks, but they're good. So time to put this one back on, and let's get this done here. We're almost done. All right, it's in. All right, it's in. Hey everybody, so I just finished the 4 front and rear shocks. It was a little tough. If you're gonna do it with a front, you'll probably get done faster. It's not too hard that you can't do it yourself. Just know that you're gonna need all 4 jack stands. Took me like 2 hours to do the back, 2 hours to do the front, and next is gonna be the rear brakes. I'm gonna make a different video on that, and if you're interested, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. I did some stuff that was out of the ordinary. I didn't remove the tie rods or the sway bar links to actually get to the strut, so you saw that you don't have to remove it to actually do the job, but it does help a little bit. But for me, I was able to get around it by going between the tie rod and the actual sway bar link, and just let it drop between there. Lift up the control arm so you can actually pull it out. Again, pry bar always helps out, so you can have some leverage to push that up. And other than that, you saw I got it done by myself. And more videos to come on this fix or TLC of the Honda Accord. All right, thank you. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.